Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I have been looking for a very natural deodorant for a while. So that's why I want to tell you about this Schmidt Cedarwood and Juniper deodorant. What I like the most about it is that it has very natural ingredients. It has a very nice smell, and also it feels very good to the skin. It's not very oily at all. It doesn't feel sticky when I'm applying it to my armpits, and when I'm showering, it just washes off very well. Normally, I just apply it once after my shower in the morning, and it lasts me the whole day. After a long day of work or working out, I still feel fresh and smelling good, which is so important. It doesn't stick to the clothes or leave any type of marks in my clothes, which is very nice. So if you're looking for a very natural deodorant, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.